Governor Kathy Hochul declared a state disaster emergency as the monkeypox outbreak shows no signs of slowing down.
Governor Hochul making the announcement late last night in hopes of bolstering the state's response to yet another dangerous virus. But what does this mean, and will it help with more vaccines? Pix 11's Michelle Ross is live for us this morning in front of the governor's office to break it all down. Good morning, Michelle.
Good morning, Craig. That declaration extends eligibility on who is allowed to administer the vaccine. And with more than 25% of monkeypox cases nationwide here in New York State, the governor says that officials need to take action in every way with this response. As the monkeypox outbreak shows no sign of slowing in New York, Governor Kathy Hochul declares a state disaster emergency. The governor says this will allow the state to respond promptly and strengthen the ongoing efforts to confront monkeypox, as nearly 1,400 cases were reported in New York on Friday. Nearly 1,300 of those cases are in New York City. The executive order extends eligibility for who is allowed to administer the vaccines and includes EMS personnel, pharmacists, and midwives. And it lets physicians and nurse practitioners to issue non-patient specific standing orders for vaccines. It also requires providers to send vaccine data to the state's Department of Health. More than 1 in 4 cases nationwide are in New York State, and recently the state's health commissioner declared monkeypox an imminent threat to public health. Officials say the majority of cases are being spread by sexual contact with an infected person. In New York, it's mainly spreading among men who have sex with men, a community officials also want to protect from stigma. With not enough supply and doses right now, residents who received the first dose are worried about not getting fully vaccinated.
I'm concerned about the second dose. I asked, and I was told that they're only talking about first doses now.
The CDC says 2 doses are crucial to assure full immunization. Manhattan Borough President Mark Levine agrees with the emphasis on first doses, but understands the worry.
People have a right to demand information, a clear timeline. Understandably, people are nervous.
Earlier this week, the state announced that they will receive 110,000 additional doses of the vaccine, bringing the grand total to 170,000 doses. We're live outside Governor Kathy Hochul's office on the east side. Michelle Ross, Pix 11 News.